My ice maker, I had it on a tray like this. Roll it in and out so that it didn't have to stay up so far. This is very limited how far it will roll. So I found these and I ordered them and I put 4 on the bottom and they just stick on, very easy to install. Now I could push my ice maker back very easily to wherever I want it to be. Super simple, moves easier. This was nice while it lasted, but it just wasn't doing the job. These little roller balls you can use under so many things. Anything you want to be able to move in and out easily. And they have, highly recommend these. These have the 3 balls on each one of them so that they'll roll forward, backwards, to the side, in any direction very easily. And they just stick on very easily with the stickers that come attached.